Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Vieo. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this mini doily. Let me show you a close-up. It's very pretty. It's great for leftover thread. Weighs a total of 10 grams. It measures 8 inches. I'm going to be using thread 10 with 1.80 millimeter hook. Size 10 thread calls for 1.50 millimeters. You can use whatever hook you need to use depending on your tension. So let's go ahead and get started. To begin, I'm going to make a slip knot. Chain 6. Close the ring with a slip stitch in the first chain. I'm going to begin row 1 making 1 chain and 12 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 12. I counted my stitches. I have 12 single crochets for row 1. I'm going to slip stitch in the first single crochet at the beginning of the row and close. To begin row number 2, I'm going to chain 1 and make 2 single crochet in the same space. 2 single crochet in the next space. 2 single crochet in the next space. And that is going to be the whole repetition for this row. I'm going to be making 2 single crochet in the same space all around. Continue and see you at the end of the row. I'm here at the end of row number 2. I counted my stitches. I have 24 single crochets. Slip stitch in the first single crochet and close. To begin row number 3, I'm going to chain 1 and open the stitches to make sure that I'm making a single crochet in the same space. Single crochet in the next space. Single crochet in the next space. I'm now going to count and make sure that I have 21 spaces because I'm going to make 8 petals and each petal is going to take 3 single crochets. So I'm going to count. This is my 21. So I'm okay to continue. I'm going to begin the first petal with 8 chains. I'm now going to turn my work to the reverse and make a slip stitch on the first single crochet. Chain 1. I'm now on the reverse, so I'm going to turn it back to the right. I'm now on the right side of my work. I'm going to make 13 single crochets in my chain 8 space. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm now going to slip stitch in the same space, and that completes my first petal. I'm now going to the next space. Make sure you don't go in the same space. Go to the next and make 3 single crochets, 1 in each space. This is the base for the next petal. I have my 3. I'm going to repeat what I made here. Chain 8. Turn my work to the reverse. Make a slip stitch on the 3rd single crochet. I'm going to fold it so you can see. Chain 1. Now I'm going to turn my work to the right side. Make 13 single crochets in the chain 8 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Move my stitches. 12, 13, slip stitch in the same space. That's my second petal. Now look for the next space. Make sure you don't insert it in the same one. The next space I'm going to make 1. The next space another 1 single crochet. In the next space 1 single crochet. I have a total of 3 single crochets for my next petal. I'm going to repeat 8 chains. Turn my work to the reverse. Look for the 3rd single crochet that I made first, right here. If you count 1 space, 2 spaces, the next one is the 3rd. I insert my hook and make a slip stitch. Chain 1. I only bend this so you can see. I made 1 chain, turn my work to the right side, and make 13 single crochets in the 8 chain space. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to move my stitches. 11, 12, 13. Slip stitch in the same space. That's my 3rd petal. We need 8 petals. I'm going to show you just one more time. Look for the next space. Make a single crochet in the next space, single crochet in the next space. I have 3 single crochets. I'm now going to chain 8. Turn my work to the reverse. Look for the 1st single crochet. I'm going to count 1 space, 2nd space, and then the 3rd one. I insert my hook, make a slip stitch, chain 1, turn my work to the right side, make 13 single crochets in the chain 8 space. Move my stitches. 11, 12, 13, slip stitch in the same space, and close. So continue making a total of 8 petals and see you at the end of the row. I'm here at the end of row 3. I finished my last petal. I am now going to insert my hook in the 1st single crochet where I started. Make a chain for security and cut. I am now going to hide my threads and I'll come back to continue to row number 4. I am here ready to begin row number 4. I'm going to start with a slip knot plus 3 chains. This is optional. This is my method of joining. I'm going to make a double crochet, counting my stitches 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th space I'm going to make a double crochet. I'm going to undo these stitches after I finish my row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, skip 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3, and in the next space make a double crochet. I'm going to have 2 double crochets in each petal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to the next one, count 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th space make a double crochet. Chain 5. Skip 3 spaces, and in the 4th space make a double crochet. There it is, my 2 double crochets in the next petal. I'm now going to chain 5. Go to the next petal, count 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th space make a double crochet. Chain 5. Skip 3 spaces, and in the 4th space make a double crochet. Chain 5. Go to the next petal, count 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th space make a double crochet. Chain 5. Skip 3 spaces, make a double crochet. That is the whole repetition for this row. Repeat, continue, and see you at the end of the row. I am here at the end of row number 4. I have 2 double crochets in each petal for a total of 16 double crochets and 5 chains in between each double crochet. Before I finish the row, instead of making my last 5 chains, I'm only going to make 2 chains and a double crochet inside the double crochet I made in the beginning. These stitches replace my 5 chains. To begin row number 5, I'm going to chain 1, single crochet in the space, chain 6. Single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 6, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 6, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 6, single crochet in the next chain 5 space. That is going to be our whole repetition for this row. I'm going to chain 6 and single crochet in each chain 5 space all around. Single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Continue with the repetition and see you at the end of the row. I'm here at the end of row number 5. Instead of making the last 6 chains, I'm only going to make 2 chains and a treble crochet in the single crochet at the beginning of the row. And that replaces my 6 chains. To begin row number 6, I'm going to chain 1, single crochet in the space, chain 10. double crochet in the next space, chain 8, 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 double crochet in the next space. This is how it looks like. I have a double crochet in each space and 8 chains in the middle of each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double crochet in the next space. That is going to be your whole repetition for this row. Repeat, continue all around, and see you at the end of the row. I am here at the end of row number 6. I finished my last 8 chains. I am now going to look for my second chain after the single crochet I made at the beginning. 1, 2. In this second chain, I'm going to make a slip stitch and close. Chain 1 for security and cut my thread. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.